I think you are watching each and every video. Coming to today's video, we are going to take a look on 50 phrasal verbs. I know that you all are familiar what a phrasal verb. If you don't know, phrasal verbs are verbs that are combined with adverb or preposition or sometimes both. They tell us about the action that we do. Okay, this is in short about phrasal verbs. In this video I am going to tell you 50 phrasal verbs. Okay, so before that I am expecting at least 50 likes for this video. I have observed that on the first day of starting this challenge there were almost 1000 people who are watching this video. Okay, right now I have 2500 subscribers. 1000 people watched that video, and my second video got only 900 views, and my third video got only 800 views. I can't understand what's going on. The number of views is reducing day by day. I wanted to tell one thing: you need to be consistent if you want to become fluent in English. You cannot escape from it. You need to be consistent. If you are not able to catch the flow of at least watching one video and learning from each and every video regularly, then I don't think so it's going to work out. At least from today, be patient, be consistent. That is what I wanted to tell you. Now, let us start today's video. Let us discuss about 50 phrasal verbs. I am also going to give you one example sentence so that you will be able to understand the context in which you can use that particular phrasal verb. The first phrasal verb is turn on. Turn on. Please turn on the light. Please turn on the switch. Second phrasal verb is turn off. Turn off. Please turn off the TV. Please turn off the fan. Third phrasal verb, get up. Get up. I usually get up at 5 a.m. Get off. Get off. Get off the bus at the next stop. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up early on weekends. Go out. Go out. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Come in. Come in. Please come in and have your seat. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down and just relax. Take off. Take off. Take off your shoes before entering into the home. Put on. Put on. Don't forget to put on your jacket. Look for. It means to search for something. Look for. I need to look for my keys. Look after. Look after. Can you look after my child for a while? Give up. Give up. Don't give up upon your dreams. Don't give up on learning English. Get in. Get in. Get inside a vehicle. Get in. Get in the car. We are leaving soon. Get out. Get out. It means to come out of something. Get out of the pool. It's time to go. Break down. Break down. My car broke down on the highway. Break up. Break up. They broke up after having a relationship for 1 year. Call back. Call back. Please call me back without forgetting. Call off. Call off. They called off the meeting due to bad weather. Check in. Check in. Call me immediately you check in the hotel. Check out. Check out. Let's check out the new restaurant. Cut off. Cut off. The phone cut off while I was in the middle of the conversation. Drop off. Drop off. Can you drop off this package near the bus station? Pick up. Pick up. I will pick up you at the railway station. Look up. Look up. Look up means to search for something. You can look up the meaning of that word in this dictionary. Run out. It is a phrasal verb that is used to indicate that it is scarce. Okay, it is less in quantity. We have ran out of milk. I need to buy now. Set up. Set up. We need to set up the tent before it gets dark. Take out. Take out. Let's take out pizza for dinner. Turn down. It means to decrease. Turn down. Please turn down the volume. Turn up. Turn up. Please turn up the heater. Work out. Work out. I like to work out during the weekends. Hand over. Hand over. Don't forget to hand over your assignment tomorrow. Hang up. Hang up. I am busy right now. Just hang up. Log in. Log in. You need to log in to access into your account. Log out. Log out. Please log out from my account. Ran into. Ran into. It means met suddenly. I ran into my old friend near the cinema theater. Give away. Give away. We generally give away our old clothes to old age home. Come back. Come back. When will you come back from your trip? Fill out. Fill out. Please fill out this application. Find out. Find out. I want to find out the importance of this topic. Come again. Come again. You can come again whenever you want. Turn around. Turn around. The future of the company is going to turn around if the CEO gets changed. Take over. Take over. Rina will take over this project. Show up. Show up. He didn't show up for the meeting yesterday. Take back. Take back. I need to take back this shirt. It doesn't fit. Hand out. Hand out. The teacher handed out the additionals to the students. Take down. Take down. Please take down this note. Put away. Put away. Put away your toys before you go to bed. Find out. Find out. Let's find out the truth. Put off. Put off. It means to stop. Don't put off studying until the last minute. Don't think that I have just given the example sentence. If you want to know in brief explanation of each and every phrasal verb, I have covered it in the shorts. In the end screen, I am going to provide you the playlist of that particular short. If you go there and check out, there phrasal verbs are explained in a very clear manner. So, if you have any doubts, please check out the shorts so that you would get a very clear-cut meaning. So that is all for this video. I hope you are going to join me each and every day. Just stay consistent. This is an advice from my side. Thank you for joining me till the end. Please be humble to share this video to your friends and family members. Click the like button and do subscribe if you are new to my channel.